Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Now today in this video what we're going to do is start the process of making a tiny garden tool shed. Alright y'all, this is going to be the beginning of a series for my tiny garden shed in the backyard. So I'm going to put it right there between those two windows. The first thing we're going to do is get this flooring together. Alright, so it's just going to be sitting out here on the brick patio. So I don't need to dig out any earth or anything like that. Oh, and the dimensions right now at this moment are going to be 3 feet by 7 feet. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just measure and make sure I got all of my distances correct to equal 36. Now what these are going to do is fit in between here, just like that, all the way across. Okay? Now do that all along here. 2 nails. Alright people, we got the main frame together. Had a few mishaps, but that's okay. I corrected those mistakes. So now I'm getting ready to put in the flooring. And I did put my joist hangers in there. So that's going to give us a little bit of extra stability. I just want to show y'all how I did that. 2 nails, screw in the middle. And so this is the back wall. I'll be putting that up in just a bit. Alright, so there we go. I just gotta nail it down.